Hey everybody, it's Karina from Per Diem Thrifts. It is currently December 30th. I am here in my office. I closed the store about an hour and a half ago, but I'm just waiting for these last videos to upload because I have to get them up before the end of the month. And I just thought I would take a couple minutes to say hi to you guys, film a little very impromptu video, just sharing some thoughts that I had as the year is coming to an end. This year has shown me so much of my life has changed. I moved my store into its own brick and mortar location. I moved apartments. I moved out of a basement apartment that we had been living in for the last 3 years into a just absolutely gorgeous apartment, 2 bedrooms, and it has been just so amazing. I'm so grateful to all of the changes that have been happening in our lives. Charlie also got a job. If you guys have been following for a while, then you know Charlie had been kind of like an on and off stay-at-home dad, but with Ryan in school now, our 6-year-old daughter, he is also following his dreams and working in the golf industry. So yeah, our life is so much different than it was last year at this time. And again, I'm just super grateful for all of it. I'm also grateful for all of you guys who have stuck around and still watch the random videos that I upload, even though I am so not consistent. But yeah, like I said, everything has really changed for the better. I'm so excited about all of the things that have happened. And even though such big changes have happened and so many cool things have been introduced to my life, I feel like it's all still just the foundation. And coming into 2024, so many more things are gonna happen. I don't know what yet. I really don't have any crazy plans for 2024 other than just trying to practice consistency and just keep welcoming in abundance in my life in so many different ways, whether it's with friends or with family, with peace. I know that sounds kind of weird, but I've just been trying to welcome in more peace, and that looks so different in different areas of my life. Like with my store, that would be hiring on a team so that I wouldn't have to work so much. In my house, it would just be creating systems so that I don't have to be around a messy house and being on top of chores and all that. It's a whole thing. But anyway, I really just wanted to come on here and say hi and maybe just reach out to you guys and see what your guys' goals were for the new year, business or personal, career or family, whatever your goals are. I would love to know. Leave them down in the comments. I am still kind of working through all of it. I usually take January as a what's the word? Like a temporary month. It's not real. January is never real to me. January is the month that I spend planning what I think will happen in 2024 or for the new year. I'm never right. Things are always changing, and I think it's really important to be flexible, but I usually take January to set up my goals and just to kind of reflect on the previous year as well, and also to decompress from everything that I had to do in December. This December was different, and not in a bad way necessarily. It was just different, and I feel like I need to take some time to just kind of decompress and figure out what the heck I'm doing in 2024. But yeah, I'm hoping that on this channel I will be able to make more content about owning a consignment store or doing consignment in general. And also I have plans to do a few mini series on here. We'll see how well I do about actually getting those up. As you guys know, I have had a hard time with consistency, so that's probably one thing that I want to focus on in the new year. Also, I was trying to think of what my word is going to be for 2024, and I've kind of been drawing a blank because I didn't want it to be cheesy, but I feel the one word that has been popping up a little bit more and just makes the most sense for me in this time of my life is the word bloom. I feel it's so corny, and that's why I didn't want to use it, but I just feel it just makes sense because if you are a planty person, like I'm not talking about flowers. I'm not an outdoor plant person. I strictly do indoor plants. And in order for it to get your plant to bloom, like you can have a healthy plant that doesn't have any blooms on it and it's still healthy, it's still thriving, it's still happy. But when your plant is like really happy, then it will like bloom and have a flower. It also has to be the right season, all of that, all of the things, you know? So I feel like in 2023, I planted the seeds, I watered, I fertilized, I got my plant to grow, or I was growing, and you know, I'm doing pretty well. Honestly, I don't really have any complaints. There are just a few things that I need to like still work on. I'm always a work in progress. I'm always learning new things. And I just feel like in 2024, this could possibly be the year that I bloom. Like I have this wonderful business. I have actually 2 wonderful businesses if you separate my brick and mortar and my online store, or you know, Poshmark and YouTube and all of that. I consider those things really separate. I have a very supportive partner. I have great friends. I have the smartest, most funniest daughter ever. And I am just surrounded by a lot of good things. So I feel like this could really be my year to bloom. But anyway, my video just finished uploading. So I'm gonna end it here. I know this is kind of like a random, just throwaway video, but I really wanted to post something before the year ended. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Haven't said it enough. I'm so thankful for every single one of you guys who have stuck around on this journey. I read every single comment, every word of, you know, encouragement, of positivity that you guys leave. It really fills my cup, and I'm so appreciative of every single one of you guys. And yeah, if you have any goals or anything, if you have a word for your year for 2024, let me know what it is. I would love to talk about it and kind of chat. But yeah. Anyway, Happy New Year, you guys. I'm so looking forward to 2024 with you. I'm looking forward to hopefully making more videos. We'll see. And I hope you guys have a great end of your year as well as beginning of your new year. And I will see you guys next time in another video. All right? Bye.